Welcome, beautiful souls. This is the guided meditation to instantly attract an abundance of money. As always, get into a comfortable position, whether it's sitting or laying down. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Breathe in and out. Repeat after me. I become richer every day. 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 Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. 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 I am prosperous. 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 I am abundant. I am abundant. I am abundant. I am abundant. I am wealthy. I am wealthy. I am wealthy. I am wealthy. Money is drawn to me. 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 Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. I always have more than enough money. 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 Money comes to me effortlessly. 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 I am financially secure. I am financially secure. I am financially secure. I am financially secure. I never have to worry about money ever again. I never have to worry about money ever again. I never have to worry about money ever again. I never have to worry about money ever again. Unexpected money keeps coming to me. 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 It's so easy for me to manifest money. 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 I make more than I can spend. I make more than I could spend. I make more than I could spend. I make more than I could spend. I am worthy of abundance. 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 There is more than enough money to go around. There is more than enough money to go around. There is more than enough money to go around. There is more than enough money to go around. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And this completes the money meditation. Much love. This is Blissful Affirming. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any meditations that I upload.